Hello buddies, so like I said in the pictures I shared earlier, I bumped into this halogen oven, and I decided to unbox it with you guys and also share some tips on how to use the halogen oven to bake. So this was me trying to unbox the halogen oven. I will tell you who has this halogen oven at the end of this video, so watch till the end. So this is the manual for the halogen oven, and these are the stuffs inside it. This one is the tongue, as in what you use to pick things you've baked or you've cooked in the oven, and this is the cord for to plug to the socket or to the electric connection. These are the steamer tray, the baking tray, and some of the racks that are in it, the short rack and the high rack. And this is the bowl, very thick glass bowl. Okay, so once you get your halogen oven, you need to wash the bowl, remove the bowl, handle with care and wash it. So these are the temperature and time control, and this is how it looks. You can also increase the height or reduce the height. So first you need to plug the extension wire or the cord, then switch it on the other side like I showed you. Then you set the temperature and the time you want. Okay, so like I said, you see I've just switched it on now. I plug it to the socket and it will come up this light. So at first you will perceive some smoky or thereabouts. It's okay, or perceive some smoky smell. It's okay, because for the first timer or using it for the first time. Okay, so I tried to use it to bake this particular pie. So I brushed the pie with some egg wash. I warmed the oven at 125 degrees C for 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, then I had to place the rack, then place the tray that has my pie on it, and then I covered it again, then set the temperature and timer. So I set the temperature at 125 degree, and the time I set it for 20 minutes, because I was just trying. Actually, I set it for 25 minutes, yes, because I was thinking that it's going to bake like the way our normal, oven bakes. Like this is the first time of using it, so don't get me wrong. So once I switch it on, it started baking. I discovered that this baked. So after the first 5 minutes, I had to brush my pie again with egg wash, covered it again. So I noticed that at the end of everything, this just took, after the first 5 minutes, it baked for extra 8 minutes. So I think this took like 12 minutes at 150 degrees C. But if you're looking at getting that cracked effect on the pie, I think 125 degree is okay. So for someone that wants to bake cake with this, I think 125 degrees is fine. Here it has a fan here inside that circulates the heat, and that is also where the light comes from. The baking wasn't bad, okay, it came out, but I think the under looks a little bit soft, not too like when you use normal oven, but it's not bad at all. It came out very okay, and the pie didn't dry out. It was very okay. So you can use it to cook rice, to bake your chicken, to roast anything, to steam any food of your choice, and it's going to come out perfect. Next, I'll be trying cake with it. How do you see?